Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming compatibility. Check the motherboard M, 2-slot type and NVMe key to avoid mismatches. Once confirmed, power down, unplug, and ground yourself so you don't damage the drive. Open the case, locate the M. 2-slot, insert the NVMe module at a slight angle, then press it flat and secure the mounting screw. Make sure the drive sits evenly. This ensures proper contact with the socket and reliable data transfer when you next power the system. Once the NVMe is physically installed, boot into the BIOS or UEFI to ensure the slot is enabled and set to the proper PCIe/storage mode. Some boards label NVMe explicitly. Make sure firmware and NVMe options are active, save changes, and boot your operating system. In Windows, use disk management. In Linux, use fdisk or parted to initialize the disk as GPT if appropriate, create partitions, and format with your file system choice. Proper partition alignment, typically 1 MB boundaries, improves performance and prevents wasted I/O cycles. Finish by installing your operating system or cloning data and enable trim to maintain long-term performance. Check the manufacturer's utility for firmware updates. Run a brief benchmark and inspect smart metrics to verify expected throughput and health. If the drive is not detected, power down and reseat the module, try an alternate M2 socket, and check BIOS version and storage drivers. These steps catch the common causes. If problems persist, swap a known good NVMe to isolate whether the drive or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.